modern flair, the Jordan MVP 92 returns in holiday 2025 dressed in black, gold, and sail. Inspired by the Golden Moments pack of 2012, which honored Michael Jordan's 1992 Olympic dominance and Ray Allen's 2000 performance, the updated silhouette revives that legacy through a fresh lens. Though not creating major hype, this release taps deep into Jordan brand storytelling. A full suede upper, black interiors, and a sleek black outsole give it a premium edge, while gold and sail peaks on the midsole subtly reference the original commemorative design. Originally, the Air Jordan 6 and 7 were the centerpieces of that golden tribute, but now, the MVP 92 carries the torch. Priced at $145, it may fly under the radar, but for collectors and history-minded fans, this pair marks another chapter in Jordan's legacy of Olympic excellence and offshoot innovation.